Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to remove the floating circle by opening Accessibility now. First, unlock the iPhone and go to Settings, then tap Accessibility so you reach Touch options. Once done, choose Touch to expose Assistive Touch. This is the feature creating the circle. Make sure to stay on the same screen. You'll toggle the feature off in the next step. You're not changing other settings. You're targeting one control so the floating button disappears without affecting alerts or gestures. You will now turn Assistive Touch off and remove the circle. Tap Assistive Touch and flip the toggle to off. The button disappears immediately because Assistive Touch creates that floating control. If you prefer a shortcut, triple-click the side or home button to toggle it. Make sure Shortcut includes Assistive Touch. After switching off, test by tapping the screen edges and unlocking. If the circle remains, restart the phone. This step ensures the visible overlay is removed without resetting layouts. Finish by confirming the circle is permanently gone and apply a quick fix if it isn't. Restart the iPhone to clear any stuck overlays. If that fails, check Guided Access and Voice over under Accessibility because they can also alter on-screen elements. If multiple accessibility settings were changed, reset them individually rather than erasing the phone. Troubleshooting tip: if the circle returns, re-enable Assistive Touch, then disable it again, and verify accessibility shortcut assignments so you don't toggle it accidentally.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.